When using the User Web Portal, you can modify the buttons on your desktop phone. For example, you can assign speed dial contacts to buttons or configure features such as call park and monitored extension. To configure the keys on your desktop phone, under the Personal Details, select Devices. Click on Set Keys link. An image of your phone will appear. Click Edit. Please note that buttons that are shown in red cannot be configured. All other buttons can be modified. Select the button to modify. Then select the feature or service to assign to that button. Options include Monitored Extension. This allows you to see if another user is on or off their phone. Enhanced Monitored Extension. This allows you to see if another user is on or off the phone and allows you to pick up that user's ringing line from your phone. Park Call. This allows you to park a call in your extension or another user's extension and retrieve that call from another phone. Retrieve Park Call. This allows you to retrieve a call that has previously been parked. Automatic Redial. This allows you to redial the last number that you called. Call List. This allows you to view your most recent missed, placed, and received calls. Directory. This allows you to view your company directory. And Intercom. This allows you to place an intercom call. Once you've made your selection, enter a label. This label, or partial label, will be displayed next to the button you are configuring. Next, click Save Changes. When prompted, click OK. Next, simply unplug your phone and plug it back in to reboot and see your changes.